Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to text an unknown number on WhatsApp. We'll cover two straightforward methods to start a chat without saving the contact. This means you can quickly send a message to someone new, like a business or a temporary contact, and keep your phone's address book clutter-free. It's a simple process that saves time and maintains your privacy. The first method involves using a simple browser link. Just open your web browser, whether on your phone or computer, and type WA, me/ followed by the full phone number, including the country code, but without any plus signs or dashes. For example, WA, me/ 12,345,678,900. Press enter, and WhatsApp will prompt you to open a chat with that number. It's quick and efficient. Another option is to use one of the many third-party applications designed for this purpose. These apps often provide a user-friendly interface where you simply input the number, and they generate the WhatsApp chat link for you. While convenient, always exercise caution. Make sure to research any app thoroughly and confirm its security and privacy practices before downloading or using it. To recap, remember to always include the full country code when using the browser method. Double-check the number to ensure you're messaging the correct person. If you opt for a third-party app, prioritize your digital security and privacy by choosing reputable options. These methods offer flexibility and convenience for communicating on WhatsApp without cluttering your contacts list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.